Module 4, Lesson 26 is on characterization of parallel lines. We're going to graph the first line. If you recall, when we have an equation solved for y already, the y-intercept and the slope are given to you in the equation. So in this case, our y-intercept is 8. So I'll go up to 8, put a dot. That's where my line will go through the y-axis. And my slope is negative 1/3. So rise over run is telling me to go up 1 and over 3 or down 1 and over 3 so that I create a negative slope going downhill from left to right. Now my second equation is not solved for y, so I can either find the x and y intercepts by plugging in 0, or I can solve this equation for y. So I'm going to choose to solve it for y. So I need to subtract x on both sides. These aren't like terms, so I cannot combine them. Divide by 3 everywhere. And now I have y by itself. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Negative 1 divided by 3 is negative 1/3. And now I can see my slope and my y-intercept. So my y-intercept is now 4. So I'll go up 4, put my y-intercept dot. My slope is negative 1/3. So once again, up 1 and over 3 or down 1 and over 3 so that I create a line going downhill from left to right with a negative slope. There's my second line. Now, what we've been doing is graphing two lines and telling what the point is where they intersect when we can figure out that point if it's a whole number. These don't intersect, so what will be the solution to this? What will be the ordered pair where they intersect, and what will be the solution to this system? The ordered pair where they intersect, there is none. So what's the solution to this system of equations? There is no solution.